Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring you have an administrator or owner account and a verified local backup of files. Once done, pause syncing from the OneDrive icon to avoid mid-process conflicts, and then choose Unlink this PC in Settings account. This disconnects the sync relationship, but preserves local files. Make sure to note which folders were synced so you can manage duplicates later. You'll be ready to remove the folders safely after unlinking and confirming backups are intact. You now stop OneDrive processes so files aren't locked, exit the app and terminate OneDrive. EXE in Task Manager. Next, prevent automatic restarts by disabling OneDrive in Startup Apps or via Settings App Startup. After services are stopped, navigate to your user folder and either delete the OneDrive folder or move it to an archive drive if you prefer retention. Make sure you're deleting the correct path. Confirm file counts and sizes before removal to avoid accidental loss. You finish by uninstalling OneDrive from Settings Apps or using Widget for a clean removal. Then remove leftover files in %localappdata% and check for OneDrive registry entries only if you're comfortable. Back up the registry first. Once cleaned, reboot and confirm the OneDrive folder no longer appears in File Explorer. If something goes wrong, like missing files, stop and restore from your local backup immediately. Do not reinstall OneDrive until you've verified file integrity.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.